Good morning, my name is Jeff. I'm a sewer tech Northwest. Today we're at property address 4826 Southeast Brookside Drive here in Milwaukee, Oregon. We're located at the front of the home, just off to the left of the front doorway. There's a 4-inch cast iron cleanout, 3-inch cap. This will be the point of access. I'm going to insert the camera and check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer line. Currently have water running, and I'm going to zero out the camera here at the base of the cleanout and refer to this as the point of access. Here we go. You do have some root intrusion there. And it does transition. It's hard to see because of the roots. They often will go through a transitional joint, but it does switch over to 4-inch concrete here, somewhere around 6 feet out. Actually, we'll call it 5 feet. Okay, here at 57 feet out, we have reached the main lateral out on Southeast Brookside Drive. We are going to get the water turned off, let it drain out completely before rolling back. There's some root intrusion to get checked out and mapped out and everything. I'm going to go ahead and start reeling back. The lines should be pretty close to all the way drained out and get back to those roots. Okay, so it does look like there is a belly in the line here as well. The pipe has lost grade. When I get my camera into it, you can see that there's a lot of debris built up in the water. It's having a hard time draining out through this section of pipe here. I'm going to push out to the end where the belly dissipates, and I also recommend a repair here to correct the grade. The belly dissipates at 47 feet out. I'm going to mark either end of the belly with a green X, and I'll put some dots or lines in between showing the direction it runs as well as depths on the ground. Okay, I did a marking here. We're in the middle of the street on southeast Brookside. It's at 9 feet deep here, and I've marked it with a green X. So I'm going to go ahead and reel back here to the beginning of the belly in the line and map that out as well. Depending on how much of the line fails here, it may be a better option to replace the majority of it. Just doing a whole bunch of different spot repairs can often exceed the cost of just replacing the line. And it looks like the belly starts here at 41 feet out. Okay, we're just a few feet out in the street at this point here. I've marked also with a green X, and there's dots in between showing the direction it runs. About 8 feet 7 inches deep here. Okay, here this is the furthest out root intrusion. We are at 21 feet out here. I'll mark each root intrusion with a green X. Okay, we're here in the middle of the front yard, marked with a green X at 5 feet deep. And I highly recommend getting the actual pipe fixed and not just trying to trim them out of there, as these roots look to be aggressive, and I can guarantee you they're going to grow back quite quickly. And these ones are blocking the entire sewer pipe. So it looks like here at 19 feet. I'm doing another marking here. Okay, we're at 4 feet 7 inches deep here, still in the front yard area. We're doing our marking here at 15 feet. Okay, we're still in the yard, obviously. We're at 4 feet deep here. Yeah, I'm going to do one more marking here at the, I'm going to try and find the transition. You can see how much of the debris is getting caught here in the sewer pipe. It's basically ready to back up right now as it is. I'm going to do a marking here at about 5 feet out. This looks to be where the transition's at. You can't actually see it because of the root intrusion, but it's right here in this plus or minus about 6 inches from 5 feet where I'm marking here. And I'm going to mark with a green T. Okay, I've done my final marking here at about 5 feet out. We're right near the transition from cast iron to concrete. I can't actually see the trans, but it's right in this area. And they're about 3 feet deep here, and we're back kind of in the bark dust near the front of the home. I'm going to go ahead and pull out. I do recommend, because of the amount of damage to the line at this point, it's not really worth doing spot repairs. I recommend a full line replacement at this point.